fucking ground, dude! The next thing! Get on the ground!
One call for help from the man who would not survive the encounter. October 23rd, 2024, Punta Gorda, Florida. A property owner calls deputies, reporting a tenant acting erratic, but when deputies arrive, something shifts. The caller becomes the focus, and within minutes, a disturbance call turns into a fight no one can control.
A few months back.
Okay. I thought I could help him, but I can't. He's unstable. He's disturbing the peace.
So what happened
The
today?
peace must be maintained.
Right.
You feel the peace? You feel it?
What happened today, sir?
It needs to be maintained.
It's pretty peaceful right
Came
now.
into my home and I told him he can't come in without permission.
Yeah.
So he violated my space, my boundaries.
Okay.
Then came and slammed my door. So he destroyed, yes, that's destruction of property.
Where is he currently?
He's currently in my area that I allowed him to stay in
How long has he been staying here?
for a few months now.
Okay.
Is that him right
Yes, and he needs to be evaluated or looked at or whatever you gotta do.
Okay.
there? Do you have any weapons?
He has no weapons on him. He has no weapons.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I am the weapon.
Okay. Do you have any guns on you?
I don't use
All right.
guns.
That's all we're worried about.
Okay.
Just stay right here for me, please.
As deputies continue their investigation, they identify the caller as Elroy Clarke and uncover something critical: an active warrant. What began as a service call now becomes a lawful arrest. Deputies give clear commands, but Clarke refuses, gives inconsistent information, challenges their authority, and refuses to be taken into custody.
All right. We're about to go 10-15 on him. We're going to have a problem. He's a sovereign citizen and pretty big dude. So you can just kind of make your way this way, please. Hey, come here. Come here. Elroy.
That's not my name.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. You got a warrant for
Do
your.
you know?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
Listen. Calm down.
No one's calming.
Don't listen to that man. Take off your glasses.
What is your name?
It's okay.
What's your name?
Take off. I told you, it's Ben Day.
It's not Ben Day. I got your picture pulled up, man.
That is
You're
not me.
Elroy.
That is not me.
Okay,
How are
well-
you gonna tell me who I am?
Because I got proof. I got your picture.
That's proof.
I
That's
have your
bullshit.
ID. I have your ID.
That's bullshit. You got bullshit in your hands, in your eye,
Bro,
your car.
Calm down.
You're on my land. You're telling me to calm down?
You've got a warrant for your arrest.
I've been here peacefully making things happen in my world, in my space. I'm allowed to do that. I haven't troubled anyone. There's been no crime.
Here's what's gonna happen.
There's no crime. It's a civil matter, and I said leave. That's all that matters.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen, it's a civil matter.
402 Central, give me trouble.
I am calm, and it's not about to be. It's not about to be. I want to stay calm. I want to stay calm.
If you fail to comply.
If you fail to comply to what I just
We'll get
said, I
taped.
want to stay calm. If you fail to comply with what I just said,
Put your hands behind your back.
listen, I don't take
we're not
orders
doing
from
it.
you. Listen, you're
about-
not touching me.
You're about to get tased.
For what?
You have a warrant for your arrest.
I do not have a warrant.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day.
Okay.
Who's the warrant for?
For you.
For who?
For you.
Who's who? Who's you?
Listen.
Who's you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day. Do you hear what I said?
Do you have an ID?
I am Ben Day. I'm
Do
on my
you have-
property. I'm not operating in commerce.
Do you have
Is
an
this
ID?
commerce?
I don't know what that is.
You're about to get tased. I'm
Really?
not. Yeah.
You're about to
100%.
tase me on my land.
I will. I will.
You will do that.
I
What's your
will
name?
100% do it.
Slender.
That's correct.
You will tase
Put your
a
hands
peaceful
behind your
man
back.
on his
Okay.
land.
Can we make this peaceful?
It is peaceful. Don't you feel the peace?
No, you're yelling right now.
Okay.
So,
Okay. I forgot.
if you're mistaken,
You're mistaken?
If you're mistaken,
If you're mistaken,
we can get this all cleared out. Right?
I am Ben Day.
Right.
That's
Let's-
what it.
okay,
That's
what-
what it is. That's what it is.
what's your
That's
date of
all.
birth?
You're looking for who?
What's your date of
Who
birth?
are you looking for?
What is your date of birth?
Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for?
But Jake, you're matching.
Who are you looking for?
Elroy.
Okay, you're matching.
You're not
Elroy
Elroy?
doesn't live here.
Okay, where's Elroy live?
I don't know. Go ask him.
Because Elroy's
Go
address.
ask him.
Elroy's address is here.
Go ask him. Go ask him.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ask Elroy.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ask Elroy.
I'm going to tell you one more time. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not matching anything. This
Okay.
is my estate.
Right, but keep this peacefully.
I am being peaceful. I have no weapons on me, and I
Raise
told you
your
that.
voice, though.
I'm allowed to raise my voice. That's not against the
not
law.
being peaceful, though.
That's what decibel is it that I need to go past? What decibel is it not peaceful anymore? Tell me that.
Elroy, put your
Do
hands
not
behind
touch me.
Put your hands
Hey,
behind
do
your back.
not touch me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you, do not touch me.
I'm going to tase you.
You tase me, it's gonna get hot in this bitch. And I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot.
Elroy.
I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot. I don't care. Go ahead.
I'm going to tase you.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go ahead and do what you gotta do. Go ahead. Don't touch me though. You're not allowed to touch me.
Back up.
Maintain 1 arm distance from me for your own safety. and
Taser,
mine.
taser, taser.
Elroy, hey.
Tase him. Tase him.
Stop! Get on the ground! Just get on the ground, please.
OC, OC. Get on the ground.
I gave you everything, and this is how you treat
On
me.
the ground, please.
I gave you everything.
On
and this is
the
how you treat
ground.
me. I gave you everything. and this is how you treat me. Get the fuck off me. Don't touch me.
Stay on the ground.
Do not touch me. If you touch me, you're gonna see something you don't want to see.
Elroy, come on.
Get on the
Telling
ground.
you,
Come on.
for your safety.
Get
and
on the
mine.
ground.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
telling you.
Let's make this peaceful.
If this is peace and love. This is peace and love.
Come on, Elroy.
This is peace
Get on
and
the-
love.
get on the ground.
Peace and love.
Just get on the
Put
ground.
your hands behind your
Get
back. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
Elroy, come on.
I'm not Elroy.
What is your name again?
I'm Benday.
Benday, then put your hand behind.
Hands behind my back. This is my land. And do not shoot me with that shit again.
Then just listen.
Go ahead and hit me with that and let it bend. And then you'll see.
Back up.
Hit me with that and
Back
bend it.
up.
It's right here. It's okay.
Back up.
Hit me right here.
Benday.
Hit me. I'm
Bro,
giving you
back
permission.
up.
I'm giving you permission to show you so you can see.
Well, where is it?
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Get on the ground.
I'm not getting on the ground. I'm not getting
They're
on
on
the
the.
ground.
They're on the route.
Take your gun out and shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
No, so you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
So you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
Do not touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
It's a civil matter, and I told you to.
And now we're trying to figure something else out.
Hey, do not go on my grass. Get off my grass. Get off my grass. Tell him to get off my grass.
He's been tased twice and sprayed.
Tell him to get off my
He's
grass.
been tased.
I've been
Hey,
tased.
Get on the ground.
I told you to.
Get on the ground. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Get a damn fucking tase me, motherfucker.
All right. Ease up. Ease up. No, tase, tase.
No! I'm bad. Get off! I'm bad.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stay down. Stay down.
I'm bad. You're gonna get shot, motherfucker. I'm telling you. You're gonna get fucking shot. Not gonna work. Get on the ground. It's not gonna work. You're incompetent.
Get on the ground.
He's recording. He's
What?
recording. If you shoot him, you are
Not lethal. Not right now.
Get on the
No one's gonna get murdered.
We don't want to hurt you. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
That's murder.
Get on the fucking ground.
That's murder.
Get on the ground.
That's murder.
Hey, shut up.
That is murder. That is murder.
Get on the ground.
That's my brother.
Benday, come on. Get
It's a civil matter.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Looking for. This guy here's a bad actor.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Come on, Benday.
Just get on the ground. What is
Or
your
two,
problem?
K9.
Get on the ground.
Get your hand off your gun. He's not on.
Get on the ground.
You're ETA.
Get your hand off your gun.
Benday, come on, man.
You're incompetent. 11 minutes. Get your hand off your gun. He's not on.
402 Central Cell update. We're still attempting to take into custody, trying to avoid lethal at this point.
After attempts to gain compliance failed, deputies deployed a beanbag round, a less lethal option designed to deliver a strong impact and stop movement without causing deadly injury.
This is a beanbag. This is a beanbag. You don't want this. Trust me.
All right, you know what? Listen.
Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking
You don't want this.
Get on the ground.
You'll get water later. You get water later. You can get on the ground now. Palmer, move.
T62667, Sarge.
Get on the ground. You're going to be beanbagged if you don't get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
T62667. I'm reporting all this.
Come on, Bidet.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's bent down.
What are you looking for? What
Get on the ground now.
are you looking for?
Get on the ground. You, Elroy.
I'm not Elroy.
Then get on the ground. We can sort it out.
No weapon.
But you're going to be handcuffed in the meantime.
Less than lethal.
He got a gun in his hand.
Less
He's got a gun in his fucking hand.
That's less than lethal. Calm down.
He's got a gun in his fucking hand right there.
As soon as he stands up and I have a clear shot of his head, I'm going to give you
667.
Get on the ground.
I'm telling you right now.
Get on the ground.
I don't know if I can take it.
Less lethal, less lethal, less lethal.
I don't fucking know.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
×2.
Get on the ground.
After the third beanbag round, Clarke suddenly charged, and the deputy fired.
I know.
Get on the fucking ground, dude. The next thing.
Get on the ground.
Bidet.
Get on the ground. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
This is the Bodycam perspective from Deputy 2, the deputy who discharged his weapon.
Less lethal,
I don't
less
know if I
lethal,
can
less
take
lethal.
it. I don't fucking know.
Get on the
I
ground.
don't fucking know.
Less lethal deployed ×2.
Come on, Bidet.
Get on the
I
ground.
know. I know.
Get on the fucking ground, dude. The next thing.
Get on the ground.
Bidet.
Get on the ground.
Go, go.
Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Go. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Shots fired. 428 shots fired.
Hey, Palmer, calm him down.
Hey, breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. In, out. In. Hey, look at me. No. Come on, face this way. Deep breaths. Deep. No, me.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm good.
I know. Deep breaths. I want to hear deep breaths. Like that. One more. Come on. No. You're staying up. Come on.
I just shot him.
Come on. It's okay, look at me. It's okay.
He was coming right in.
I got you.
I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. I had no choice.
You're fine. Come on.
Oh, God.
You're fine. Alex, I got you. Come on, my boy. I got you.
You're fine.
Clarke was struck and pronounced dead at the scene. The Charlotte County Sheriff's Office released bodycam footage shortly after, showing a prolonged attempt to resolve the situation without deadly force. The case was reviewed by investigators and presented to the state attorney's office. As of the latest available update, the shooting was determined to be legally justified. No criminal charges were filed against the deputies. The involved deputies were placed on administrative leave as standard procedure, and later returned to duty following the review. From a legal standpoint, courts have consistently held that force must be judged based on what officers reasonably perceive in the moment, not what is discovered after, and when a subject, after prolonged resistance, closes distance on an officer, that moment becomes the deciding factor. No one starts a call expecting it to end this way, but when seconds matter, decisions are made with the information available and the need to survive. To the men and women who put on the uniform, step forward into uncertainty, and stand between danger and the public. Your commitment does not go unseen. This is Texas Safety Watch. Stay aware, stay ready, stay safe. And to those who stand the line every day, we will see you on the next one.